Hi everybody, I am Dr. Sivashankar, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, Guru Nanak College. Today we are going to study about the difference between the utility and satisfaction. What is meant by utility and what is meant by satisfaction? Generally, everyone says that utility means satisfaction. Then why the term used utility and why the word used satisfaction? Which means definitely there is a difference between the utility and satisfaction. So today we are going to study about the difference between the utility and satisfaction. Generally the term utility is known as utility is the power of commodity or service to satisfy a human want. And also, utility is said to mean satisfaction, but there is a distinction between utility and satisfaction that we already said. It is expressed as a quantity measured in hypothetical units which are called units. What is meant by hypothetical units? Generally, I like mango or you like mango. You can take any fruits, no need to take only mango. If I consumed an apple, it will give a satisfaction for me once I consumed. Okay? After I consumed, I get a satisfaction. But here, the thing is, before I consume the apple, how much of satisfaction that will give for me. That is known as utility. Are you understand? For a better understanding of utility, you please go through the clippings.
లైన్లో వచ్చేస్తున్నాం சித்தப்பா இருக்கும் போலடா 300 ரூபாயா
நிறைய சமாளிண்டா
எவ்வளோ 25,000 ரூபா
Dear learners, I hope that you understand better about the concept through the provided clippings. Satisfaction is once I consumed the apple, I enjoy the taste of the apple. After I will get satisfaction. But in the term of utility, I don't need to consume the apple. But if I don't consume, which means I didn't consume the apple, but I want to measure the taste or the satisfaction level. Okay, before consuming that apple, I want to know. So for that term only, we are using utility. Okay, I didn't eat the apple, I didn't taste that apple, but in case I consume that apple, if I eat that apple will give this much of taste for me. That is known as utility. In this much, in the sense they will measure in utility form. For example, it gives 100 units of satisfaction for me, 100 units utility for me, 50 units utility for me. If I consume orange with apple, that apple will give 100 units of satisfaction, which means again I said 100 units of utility for me, and also same time I consume the orange means it will give 70 units of utility for me. Now what will happen? We will measure the utility also with the help of the units. Here apple gives 100 units of utility for me and orange gives 70 units of utility for me. Again, I am saying that it is the assumptions only. It is the imagination or illusion, we can say, because there is no measuring rod to measure the utility. It's a psychological path, because I like Rajinikanth, superstar Rajinikanth, but someone like Kamala Hassan, someone like Ajit, someone like Vijay, but in their mind they give ranking position means 1, 2, 3. That is called ordinal. That we go in next video. But now today we are going to take a look on utility and satisfaction. My dear viewers, for your better understanding of the concept of satisfaction, I will add some clippings. Kindly go through this.
கொலை கொன்று இருக்கு.
இது காசுட தோசை நல்லா இருந்துச்சு.
இது எப்படா தின்னு முடிகிறது?
ம்.
Dear learners, I hope that you understand better about the concept through the provided clippings. So, students, today we are clearly understand about the utility and satisfaction. So the thing is, I hope you enjoyed this video and understand this video for the difference between the utility and satisfaction. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel Guru Bodhi Economics. Guru Bodhi Economics. If you have any clarification, once again, you put it in a comment box. Thank you.